Alright, last time the audio was kind of low, so I'm gonna lift it up a little bit more this time. Man, oh man, oh man. Good morning, guys. I literally haven't. Oh, whoa! I haven't even finished. What do you call it? My coffee. All right. First thing first. High timers. I'm just marking down this real quick. Do I think we go high? I don't know really. Getting a nasty wake, but all time high, which is really what makes it harder for everybody. Um, I just really did inverses, so that could actually change a lot. Man, you know, busy. And it doesn't matter. University waves. Take up night night on. Alright, so we are rejecting that now. Interesting. What do I prefer really? I don't know. I mean, we thought just be interesting scalping, but you know, we're finding inversion this. Hmm. Okay. Took out another high. Damn it. Mm, we still have it. I mean, sorry. If we hold this up, then I would still be looking for long because yeah, we're still within this busy. So I'm like, yeah, I guess inverted high time and stuff. That's my mode. I don't know. I'll wait. If this gets taken out, displacement, then yeah, I'll be more confident in shorts. But I mean, it's like, eh. Oh man, what I do, what I do, what I do, what I do, what I do. Oh, here it is. 15 minutes. Let's get it, baby. All right, we just took out 4 hour low. We just took out that in high. I was eyeballing these highs right here, eight and high basically. It's too clean, but I'll see what it does and how we thingy. Because we did just take out what's it called? Previous thingy. Uh, midnight. 8:30. Yeah, right now I'm just like intraday scalping because like yeah, the market's been no weird. There's really much on here. Let's see. 9:30 is all the way up there. I gotta see what NQ does now, so that way I could figure out like whether I will still continue looking for shorts or switch my buys or so. Okay. That's that. Yes, let's go to 50-minute. Yikes. Brother E. Yeah, we need to just take a lot. Oh, whoa, they're moving completely opposite. Asian highs. Asia highs. Whoa, 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 15-minute. So we are gonna get the teeth, which is good, I guess. Like I said, we just took the liquidity as well. So I'll wait till 10. We haven't used at 10, so or we created to nah, I really just wait till 10 really. Okay, so we are currently close above it. Like I said, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. Again, guys, this is my draw for the morning. Sunday high. Sorry, session high. We just took out a 4 hour high. We are getting at the teeth now. Everything's looking good right now. But the question though would have to remain: Are how are we gonna get there? We're just gonna consolidate, jump around, like we're gonna have the best first session we've ever had. Nope, ain't it. Let me just make sure everything's working. By the way, gotta go to. I think turn on the music. My bad. Uh, Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. I better be live. Okay, I am live. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hello, Tony. What up, Ravi? Mr. Weezer. Voice is not clear. Oh shoot. What that mean? Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. I'm finally hitting puberty. Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Mr. Weezer. I like your name. Thank you, Mr. Weezer. Yeah. Thank you. Anyway, guys. What's up? Good morning. Is it better now, by the way? I don't know. I'm thinking of getting a new mic. I'm getting a Yeti because like I was supposed to get a Yeti originally, but I just the thing is, bro. Like when I just moved here, I didn't really know where like everything was. So I was just kind of like I don't know what the word is. Hold on, I'm gonna put on my music. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna put up music. Yeah. Okay. This is drop. This is interesting. All right. So we did refuse to go over 8:30. Um, is a voice there, by the way, guys? Can you mind not telling me? I mean, can you tell me, please? All right. Yeah. So again, I am looking for continuation higher, just not trying to fight the trend. The only thing that's really just kind of like, um, there we go. Okay. The thing is, I don't know if we're gonna come back down to try to retest it again and go higher. Like I said, the only thing that really just, in a sense, bothering me would be this inversion right here, right here, right here, right here. Damn. I probably, you know what you're thinking from mine? I probably will go get a Yeti. But the problem with the Yetis, dude, is oh my gosh. I'm thinking about it. Should I? Should I not? Should I get a Yeti? Should I get a Yeti? I don't know. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. I don't know. Should I get a Yeti instead? Because yeah, this mic goes out. It's been giving me problems since I first got it. Like, I don't know. Really highly thinking about it. And if you guys took a trade yet, because the only thing that's really bothered me is this portion. The higher time frames. This right here. This is bothering me. We're going for previous days lows now. So it's like I don't know what I want to do right now. We just took out London high at 9:30, which is really good. Anybody who felt like I guess ballsy could have taken that, but I don't know. I feel ballsy. It's Tuesday, bro. It's literally my first trade of the week. We're dumping from here. That's crazy. Alright, let me put the times. We haven't used a 10, so I'm not really trading before that. We might even just reverse. I don't know. I really don't know what price wants to do right now. I guess for now it does look like it wants to continue lower, but will we get a sharp reverse after 10? I don't know. I'm doing. I gotta put on my headphones. There's too much wind in the background. Too much cows. Too much dogs. Alright. I need to take a picture of this. I mean a screenshot real quick. Yeah, we are refusing to close above 8:30. You see? Indicating that we might want to go. But in that case, I wish we would have gone higher than in my opinion. Taking out London highs. Right here. Taking this out. Then go lower, but I don't know, I'm just stuck right now. I'm just gonna wait. We just had the New Week going yeah beautifully, by the way. That's nice. We love to see it. We love to see it. Again, I'm just gonna wait and see really, because we just took out previous at low, by the way. I might expect a really nice retracement here. Yeah, we did take it out here. Wow, we're looking really bearish. I just didn't take any. I just didn't feel confident when he obvious. Like if we would have taken out Asian highs or so, like yeah, I would have felt confident sure in that. But after 10, of course, I wouldn't take that before that. Let me take it down real quick. What time is it? 9:50. The 9:50 might be beginning, by the way. Music that has power to heal. Sure. Not bad. Can you guys hear me? Hello, 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 hello. I gotta look at the stream over later. I will go for Yeti if I'm being honest. Yeti's never disappointed me. Alright guys, what should I do? Alright, I'm putting my headphones out. I'm locking. Time to lock in, guys. Hold up. Oh, I don't have it. There we go. All right, boys. Time to lock in. Let's get it. What the hell? I'm muted. All right, boys. Time to kick some butt. All right. We just took a previous 4 hour low. We did just take a previous day low. Damn, we might be, this might be my next equity. So sorry. You know how bullish we've been, guys? We've been so bullish. I haven't had sell side liquidity marked up in a while. So it looks like, yeah, we want to go lower for now. I don't know. We have a quick reversal. I would have to probably wait for like a 1 minute change state or something. Wow, this thing is dumped. That is crazy. Alright, where's 930? This will be the first presented, right? Right, because ICT said something like, oh, like if we take out liquidity during the. I know. Damn, we just had a dump. That's crazy, dude. Oh no. It would be, no? Could we take out liquidity? I don't know. It's fine. Wow, we just straight up dumping now. That's crazy. We're just melting now. Just straight up melting. Just straight up melting. Mr. Weezer, is the voice clear now, my guy? If you don't mind telling me. Alright, we just take out that liquidity. Like I said, I would have felt I would have shorted this for sure if two things had happened like that. And then immediately this face mask and after 10. I wouldn't have taken that pre thingy. I'm gonna wait right now, really, just cause like I said, the only thing that was making me skeptical was this. That's why I'm not really looking too crazy too long, if I'm being honest. I really just have waited, kept into an order block, into an inversion. Let me see if I can copy it real quick. Alright. Yeah, that's why this was giving me thingy vibes. This right here, the waking and the closure, like yeah, now we're taking out liquidity. Like I said, this is actually good. I actually do prefer to have just even if we give up to oh crap, I'm back to the for some reason. Even if we do give up like today, I guess just continue melting. That's good for me now, if I'm being honest, because now we have more market and we could finally start having we can start having more structure now. You know what I mean? Like it's actually good. Like I guess today sucked because we don't get into a trade, and it is what it is. But now we have this structure to play around with here. This side of the curve right here. This side of the curve now. So now we have SIBIs, now we would have like mitigation, whatever the reason is. Now we have order blocks. So now we just tap in. Now we just look for shorts going into the next for the rest of the week. But obviously it depends on what it does. Because I just begin to close above this again and wicks this and like I just don't want to see that really. I actually prefer to give up today, just today, or even I guess tomorrow, which would suck. But I just want to see closures now. Just start invalidating bullet structure, because then we could like right now we can just take this and then we can go higher again. Like, I prefer not to do that. And then now this becomes our new buy side like draw, but I'd really just rather have a dump because now we have a breaker as well. If we close above it, below it, sorry, breaker, and just another candle forms here. Another candle formed here. Right? Now we have a fair value gap. So now we have bearish structure now, you know what I mean? So now we're going to the rest of the week when we tap into this again. I'm not looking for long, guys, because now we have too much bearish structure. Breaker. Change in delivery. HK order block. This whole thing will be the order block. And now fair value gap. And I really don't want price to come up here no more. At least for sure. I want to stay down here with the breaker, with the Viralia. Like I said, it just really depends on what the price wants to do now. I kind of don't want to look for longs anymore, if I'm being honest. But let's see, let's see. I might just scalp quickly or something. We just took a nice clear sell. That was beautiful. This was really nice. I would have preferred Asian highs if I'm being honest. But hey man, it does happen. Asian vertical reversals do happen mostly with, for me in my opinion, with London high and London lows. You know, but the thing we had just taken out pre-session market everything, so it's like it was a little hard for me to try to anticipate it. Yeah. But yeah, anybody get took a trade? Anybody took short today? Like with London high and London low? I mean, web. Nice rejection. I don't know. Like I said, I low-key would want to play the move back to the upside, but I gotta see something. I really just want to see more. Like I want to see this, like another break low and then higher. Then that could be a breaker, mixed with something else. You know, I don't want to just go for a long right now, cause I don't know. I think we're too bearish now, in my opinion. This just comes intuition. You know, just my personal intuition. Okay, I'm going to 10, guys. Like, if you guys want to take news before that, that's cool. I just been burnt so many times, and I just get worked down, and it goes in my way, and I just like I said, you just get sick of that shit. You just eventually don't want to continue doing it. It's like a toxic ex, you know. You just with there so long, you're like, yeah, you know what, it's not worth it. Song is nice. All right, so like I said, I am willing to play long side again. But yeah, I would need to have I would need to have a nice reversal ASAP Rocky. This would be my, like I said, my draw, if you want to call it that. These highs, these highs. Because this is just like a slim thing. We just took out a lot of the sell side. I'd rather just wait, really. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'll see, guys. I'll see at 10. I'll see what happens at 10, guys. I'll see what happens at 10. I'm gonna take a trade though for sure. Thank you for reminding me. Give me a sec, give me a sec, give me a sec, give me a sec. I'm also logging into my account real quick. Alright, boys. Let's get it. I am really long. Let me see the 1 hour real quick. Ooh. Yikes. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Like, it's really interesting now. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I wanted to take a long stab at this long and just go break even really quick, really, because it's just a risky trade. In my honest opinion, it's a risky trade. All right, boys, have to lock in. We just took out so much clear outside. That's why I'm running to play the opposite bound range now. All right, I need to open up my other screen. All right, guys. We better go big or go home today. Give me a sec. I have the thing in the wrong way. Because you guys are wondering what do I have on my right side? It's literally just NQ and ES again, but a bigger screen. So it's basically this, but that's aside. And yeah, I like we're respecting any weak opening gap. That's nice. I like that rejection from that. I want to see a rejection from that weak opening gap. This one right here. Alright, 10's coming up, guys. We just had a freaking meltdown. I wanted to take a lot of partials off here. Here, guys. This is nice, guys. Like, this is so nice. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. This is my easy target right here. I'll probably take it off. If I have a good RR, I'm probably going to need just to take it off here. There's not a point. Like, I mean, I don't know. I'll see. How's a 1 hour? Yeah, we just closed below it, guys. You know what I could do also? You could take 50% of his range. That's risky though. Bro, you know what? I'm going to go break even. Alright guys, again, alright guys, here we go. Let's get it guys, let's get it. Anybody's looking for longs here? Anybody? 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 Mr. Daffy, you looking for longs here? I want to see a closure above this. I want to see a closure below that, guys. I mean, yeah, above it, sorry. And I'm taking the, I guess, the scalp back up to the OTE. I'm not looking for a short, guys. We're just way too. We already took out so much sell side. Look, we took out previous day low. We took out the Asian low. Sorry, London low. And I think we took out daily, no? Yeah, we did take out daily. We did take out daily, I think, on Q. Oh, no, we did, we did. Alright, guys, let's get it. May the odds be in my favor, boys. If I could see this get inverted really quickly, that would be nice from here. I want to see a closure above this. That would also help. This right here. Alright guys, nothing happened for news so far. I'm basically just introscoping right now within the sessions. I kind of like this. I kind of like this one a little bit more. Alright guys, again, if you can see a closure about this, like this right here, I guess. The thing would be, this would not be a mitigation block, but I prefer to have another scope, like another beep and then higher. That could become a breaker. I just break it more than I trust with mitigation blocks. I don't like mitigation blocks. So the thing is for me, I need liquidity to be taken out. You know what I mean? Like I need liquidity. It's a must. It's a must. It's a must. It's a must. Alright guys, so that's basically what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to play back up to the long side here. Take these out. But like I said, I prefer not. Ironically, in a way, I don't want to do that as well because I wanna you know start looking for versions and stuff. This whole area right here has been rebalanced in my opinion to mitigation BPR. So now we're just playing into. I wish we had closed below the low key, but I'm glad. I'm guessing right now. I'm glad I didn't, so that we can play back up. But this will now become a breaker, guys. This right here. I, for me, I realized like I really just need this closure to be a breaker. So now this whole thing. You see how we just took out bias here, guys? So the last that's the last candle or candles according to here now is the last down candles. This becomes a breaker. Right there. That's a breaker now. So anywhere within this area, we could just play around. We could just drop from here. Cause now we are gonna have this right here like this. Like I said, a civvy, sorry. So preferably we prefer to save it low here. We don't you don't want to come up here. Like no. This area right here, you don't want to come up here anymore. It's balanced now. But that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know. That's why I'm a little tempted with longs right now. But just higher time frame, it doesn't make sense to me. I don't know. We'll see. You know what I'm doing? Yeah, I'd rather just wait for the breaker. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It is what it is, you know? Like, I prefer to see this get quickly inverted. I don't want to see that real quick. That's a huge stop loss. Not even worth it. The risk is worth it from here. Oh, no, we haven't. I was like, we haven't SMTs on the lows, but we're not. I would just wait, really. I'd rather just really wait. Anybody here looking for long, guys? Anybody? 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 Going once, going twice? Sounds like New York vibes. I kind of miss New York. I kind of don't. Like I know, like I know I miss it like now just because it's you know like little homesick you saying, but I know once I get there and I get back to like the noise, I'm like nah, I'm good. Alright guys, so I'm just waiting for market structure to shift really here to the upside. Or a closure on the 2 minute above here. Whichever comes first. We have a change in delivery. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Here we go. I just realized we do have SMTs. What the heck? We do have SMTs. I really just want to wait for that. Closure. Alright guys, we're going in, boys. I am moving my risk really quickly up, so I want to see a closure above that. Really, we have a nice. We're having SMT. Not sorry, not SMT. We're having I want to see a closure, guys. I want to see the fastest placement through here. This is not what you want to see, guys. Right there. Okay. That's what I'm going for. Well, guys, so far we don't have anything. We don't have anything. We do have a change of set liver for thingy though. We do have a change of set liver for NAS, guys. I want to see a closure. Come on, close. Okay, I don't like that. I want to see a closure so I can get in. Bro, I just need to see a closure. I like we have this new wiggle mini gap too. Okay, I don't like that. I just want to see a closure, dude. For yeah, it's funny because for NQ we do have it though. It's stupid. Let's see the 1 minute. Come on, just close, dude. Don't do that. Yes. Dog, bro, we have a freaking thingy. We're having S&T on top, so that's what I'm saying. I don't like this. I don't trust it yet. I'm not trusting this, guys. I'm not trusting this. Not yet. It's weird. Look, for in-queue, we do have it already. Here. But for ES, we don't. I might just hop into a micro contract for ES 1900. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. I'm hopping off in this breaker. Yeah, that's perfect. So hop in from the breaker, guys. This is a breaker. Oh, what time is it? Hopped on from M to breaker. Going break even quick. Going break even quick. Okay, so 50% of this range, guys, is this is a thing I forgot. Yeah, hopefully we can leave this open. Like I said, guys, if we could like completely inverse this without having any hesitation, then I'm pretty confident we could go higher. But I'll see. Okay, so we're having some nice displacement now from NQ. That's good. That's good, guys. That's good. That's good. We are also 15. We are also now getting this is what I'm looking for, guys. I'm thinking though, what should I take a partial? Or what? This is bad to look at the money sign, guys, but it's just so tempting sometimes. It's so good. I might just move to break even, cool. I have now secure some profit. That's fine. Nice. Okay, so we're getting this placement from both. The thing is, I'm just keeping in mind is the price lag. When we hit a good equilibrium with that. last one. I think not showing. Oh, it is probably just too far. Okay. Yeah, I'm moving to break even quick, guys. Don't worry. I can see where I'm at. I can see where I'm at, guys. Don't worry. Don't be mad at me, guys. I got this. I got this. Yeah. Yeah, I'm moving to break even once we hit this guy. Don't worry. Once we hit equilibrium. We are tapping a 2 minute order block now. If we have really nice price action here, that'd be pretty nice. Again, guys, I just hopped on breaker. Like, I don't know, the way that this was placing, like, it just gave me a vibe. Like, it probably won't. If it comes down, and it is what it is, I guess. But I prefer not to. See that? If you look at the 5 minute, we do now have a 5 minute thingy. I don't want to see this getting. I don't want to see this get. I want to see this getting inverted and go higher. But like, it's something I've noticed. Like, once it starts, what's the word? Like, disrespecting the middle half of it. It sometimes doesn't even like jump onto it. Like, it doesn't use it as a trampoline. Like, it doesn't do this and go higher. It just sometimes, like, as soon as it disrespects like 50% of it, it just goes up and then just continues going higher. I don't know. I really don't know. But the thing that I do, I just don't want to see this get thingy. What's it called? Respected. We are coming down again. Is it gonna be a loss? I don't know. We'll find out. We're not moving the stop loss anytime soon, guys, just because it doesn't make sense. We haven't even tapped to anything really. Yeah, it's alright. It's a confident trade, you know. I'm putting it aside, guys, because I really want to start, like, you know what I mean? Why is it still freaking? Yeah, so like I said, guys, I just got in from the breaker. I would really hope we start getting some displacement now. Again, we could just come back. We could also be just coming down to 50% of the leg, which I don't want to see that really, but we're just between two periods right now. That's why it's doing this. I want to see a tap and just immediately go higher, or just leave it probably empty. There could be a breakaway gap. Okay, so here's where I want to pay attention to this. I really want to see price stay above 50% of this level. Really want to see price stay above this level. Like, we could just, bro, this would be ideal. We just tap and immediately start displacing high. That'd be the best case scenario. We also have this wick too. I don't know if you guys realize this. It could also act as a. That's what I'm saying. Like, price, I don't want price to come here no more. Like, if we could just come and tap it and then immediately dip, bro, amazing, 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 amazing. So okay, I'm just waiting. I just want to see a little tap and then just fly off. No more respecting, and I'm pretty confident then we would probably go higher. But I'll still move to break even here. And then the worst that happens is a break even trade. You know. What's ES doing? ES is just tapping it back into the order block. It's not bad, I guess, but I want to see it go higher from here. We haven't tapped it. We're still in this, guys. We're still in this. We have not lost yet. So anybody here took a church or no? Again, guys, I got it. And something I'm just paying attention to. I like what we're saying above this. That's what I'm saying, guys. I think it's fractal. Price is fractal. Like if you're right, it's gonna do it regardless of your time frame or not. And if you're wrong, you're gonna be wrong. I like that we're saying above this breaker, the wick. You see this, right? I just want to see a tap into this 5. And immediately, there we go, there we go. Okay, we just tap into it, guys. You know what? Let me have the 5-minute open up on the side. It's better visualized. Oh shit, what am I doing? Oh. So again, guys, what I'm looking for is this for Relegate to get. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay, nice rejection. Nice rejection. Nice, beautifully, beautiful, beautiful. Again, guys, I'm waiting for this. You see this rejection? Nice. So from here, if you can get a brand new leg up, I'll hold my stop to whatever this low is. All right, look like this right now. I kind of wanna. Can you hide the orders? Nice candle. That's a nice candle. What time is it? 10:23. All right, let me turn it back on if I forget. All right, I really just want to start seeing the space and after these highs. This could be a time distortion. So after accumulation, you know, it's weird. We haven't tapped it for the NQ. Bro, I'm telling you, sometimes these things are so weird. I would have reached something now, I guess. Again, I want to see it stay open. Half of it. You know, we could come down and play around here, but I'm willing, basically guys, what I'm doing right now, my chat, if you guys are just coming in here, I'm willing to take 50%. I'm willing to long into 50% of this leg. And then move to break even here immediately. Hoping to get an expansion higher, you know. Right now, I mean, it is kind of frustrating, but we're really just in a consolidation now. We're still within this 5 minute, like I said, we could have came back into. How's the 5 minute looking like? What time is it? 10:26. What's the 1 hour look like? What's the 4 hour look like? Yeah, we better. Nah, we still have a few good amount of times. Yeah, I like this trade. It's not a bad trade. As long as you're not taking impulsive trades, really, that's what it comes down to. Alright, I really want to start seeing higher now. I don't like they were taking too long here. But yeah, so far, I mean, it's alright. I said we could have came back here. I just got in from the breaker because I felt like we were just gonna, like, NQ was so clean here. Alright, so we originally came back to the 2 minute change delivery. But we look in the higher time frame, we're still in the 5 minute. I want to stay above this for sure. That's the only thing I really just want. Stay above here. This tie, the upper part of the M5. Alright. Okay, that's a nice rejection. Okay, nice. Nice, okay, okay. And I want to see this get inverted immediately. After this move, I prefer to see this get inverted. And then just use it as a trampoline or as a to go higher. And then I'll just move to break even here. But we're still too early to talk, so we'll see. The reason for the trade just like it just makes to me I don't want to go lower. We're tapping into a 15-minute, which is the only thing I just don't like, I guess, but I still want to see a upper retracement, I guess, back into equilibrium if we are gonna try to go lower, but like I said, we don't get what we want. Sometimes just kind of willing to risk for thingy. We just took out so much south side. We took out previous day lows. You know, we are rejecting a new week opening gap as well. I don't know if it's in here too. Nah, it's in thingy on ES. We'll see, guys. We'll see. We'll see. If we take an L, we take an L, you know? What I'm wondering though is, do we have news tomorrow? Nah, 10 a.m. news, nothing crazy. I'm gonna turn the music, it's too high. Again, the only thing I guess is reject this 15-minute, but I really want to see lower. I mean higher for now. The only thing I don't like is the that we had an SMT. Like I was saying earlier. And this right here. This is what's like kinda I guess like hinting me like we were more bearish than thingy, but again guys, we don't really thingy. Time to 10:30. I want to see a retracement back up really. Nice. Okay, we were staying above it, so that's good. We're in the 10:30, guys. Let's go, baby. Okay. Okay, okay. I want to see this get disrespected ASAP. Nice. Let's go, guys. I mean, so far looking good. So far looking good. Let's not get too excited right now. I want to see a closure above this and not move my stop loss now. A little bit more. Just because I want to see expansion now. I want to see expansion. Yeah, I don't really think this. Let me not. Let me find my rules. Until we get a closure above here, I'll move my stop loss. Or preferably here. Hey, I was just looking. Oh, nice. Okay, I need to see this thingy. want to see a closure. I really want to see a closure, guys. Nice. Yeah. I don't like this, right? I want to see closures, strong candles. Come on, close. So far, so good. I mean, I'm not really complaining, but I want to see I want to see continuation, guys. I'm not really trying to. I'm paying attention to ES once it hits equilibrium. Look at the money. Oh shit! What am I looking at? Oh, nah. Let me see the 5. I want to want to stop, but we haven't had a closure. Yeah, we haven't had a closure, guys. But then again, like, if we don't have a closure here, then yeah, I won't want to stop here, guys. I want to see the star holding now. These fair value gaps on the M1. I want to see it stay, like, just expand higher. We just wait this, so that means we could come down here, but I don't really want to be part of that. I just want to see expansion from here. It's always the opposite freaking market that I choose that always tends to do that BS where it will expand for a little bit. Okay, guys, so we have no more SMTs. That's what was worrying me, really. We have a closure above this swing high. That's what I'm saying. I want to see it like protected now. But I don't know because what time is it? 10:34. Come on, bro. Okay, we're hitting. All right, we're hitting. We're hitting equilibrium soon for ES. Damn it, I can't even take a 101. 101 tier. Both this new bunny gap. What about here? I'm gonna start seeing expansion, guys. This is looking good though. I'm not gonna complain. I just want to see closures now above this swing high though. Like I feel confident holding longer for this. Bro, that trade on Friday was crazy, dude. Alright, we have M2 now. I want to see this breakaway gap. I'll see. What's M5 looking like? Okay, you see how I'm not as nervous anymore? Just because we closed above it now. Above the 50%. But like I said, the only thing I just want to see it immediately is like expansion through here. We could retrace here, but I prefer not to. This is gonna make me like if we hit this, we leave this open. Like I don't know. I'll see. We are hitting equilibrium level for thingy. I'm gonna move to break even. Slightly more even. We already hit equilibrium for thingy. Yes. Where's my 101? You know, I'm gonna take one off here. Just because. I'm gonna take one off here. And then move to break even. Well, I'm already aiming break even. I didn't move to break even, guys. Why? Because Okay, this I can break away guy. Pretty dope. Let's go, guys. Let's go, baby. Okay. Um, I want to take at least one off before. I'm taking off one here, guys. Look at the money. Look at the money. Just to pay myself up a bit, you know. Hit 51,000. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Again, guys, whatever happens here, I'm already break even, so. What the fuck was that wick? You saw that wick, guys? Again, guys, the reason why I moved already was because I'm the look, I'll make it bigger. We already hit equilibrium with this one, like, you know, that was my main logic behind it. To hit equilibrium. And then from this leg to this leg, we haven't quite hit it yet. And I don't like that we're covering this up at such quick space. Come on, just give me one partial at least, please. Don't do that to me. Come on, dude. I kind of want it close for two reasons. I want to hit my profit target ASAP. And I don't like the way we're coming down here. I'd rather just take something out of it. I'm thinking, guys. I'm thinking. I know it's not that. It's just like I'm just trying to get thingy, and then just take my steps within. We are tapping into a 5-minute order block, which is fine, I guess. But for rally gap, sorry. I like the 5-minute for thingy, but for kind of don't take my thing and get out, but right now I'm just focused more about getting funded. I don't really care about like I know like I'll follow that rules eventually when I'm already funded, but I'll say once we close above this swing leg, you can move a stop loss here technically, but I want to see the breakaway and just continue higher. Just keep it at 51. Better hit 50% of that. It's good. Come on, dude. Don't do that. I want to see a closure both this side and then move it to here. Like this, basically. There. Come on, just give me one. Please, don't do this to me, please. Come on, please, don't do this to me. Just one little bit. Shooting is very hard. I think that just calms me, I guess. I've been in this for 3 years, dude. 3 years. And I'm now seeing like pieces put two and two together. You know? So it's gonna take time, guys. It's gonna take time. And it will test you over and over and over again. Sadly. Mm-hmm. I kinda wanna move it. Oh, let me see what them two look like here. Then we'll move it up. Fair value gap. I just want to take a partial though. I'm not gonna move it up. I'm gonna leave it now. But I just want to hit a partial. Like the thing is, I'm feeling eager right now because like it's doing this BS. You know, and it's not hitting equilibrium. We already hit equilibrium here. Just be patient, bro. Like one trade doesn't define you. That's really what it's gonna come down to. You have to do this shit over and over and over and over for the rest of your life if you really want to be like that type of consistent guy. Oh, we're hitting 62 levels. I'll make this. Not too slow. Come on, dog. Look at that. Look at that. Just give me half of that. Just please. Don't do this to me. Like right there, right there. Come on, bro. Hey, we start immediately displacing through here again, then I'm just gonna take partial of that. And get some out of it, I guess, at 9. Yeah, it all depends really what we're doing here. I feel like this is already thingy, so now we just continue on higher. Slowly, I guess, but... Excuse me, sorry about that. The coffee's getting to me. I'm getting a little nervous. Not nervous, like anxious, I guess. I don't know what the word is. You know something I tell myself every time before I hit a trade, before I enter a trade? It's just a fucking trade, dude. It's not gonna make or break your career, dude. So stop stressing too much. And you'll get it eventually. Eventually. If you continue to show up every single day, at 9:30 every single day, every single freaking day, you know? See what the 15 look like. 5 minute. Okay, we inverse this, so now we got an inversion. And we have a freaking thing here. That's what I'm saying. Technically, I thought I should be here. But I just don't feel confident because the freaking thing doesn't give me a partial, bro. Like, it just give me one partial. I don't mind. I don't care. Do what you want, bro. Like, you know. And then we have this 5 minute now. Ah, dude. So frustrating sometimes. Trading is so frustrating. Look at this, still not giving it to me. That's why it's so frustrating. Making me want to cry. Yes, we took a partial. Let's go. Let's go. We took a partial. I took a partial after break even, guys. So we secure something, I guess. And now we just let that rest rock, baby. Guys, we took a partial. We took a partial. We took a partial. All right. Whatever happens, we're good. I promise you, we're good. All right. I just don't want to cover. I don't see something real quick. I really want to see this leg, this weight code. But let's just take the body, right? Yeah, I went to break even. It's fine. It's fine, guys. It's fine. See that rejection? All right, guys. Move. There we go. All right, 10:50 for Mac is coming up. What time is it? 10:48. We're still waking it. That's fine. I just want to take. I'm gonna close, guys. It's taking too long. It's taking too long. I'm secure the 200, guys. Like, goal for me is to try to hit the partial target. I don't care. Like, this is not real money to me, so I really shouldn't care. I don't really care as much. But again, ideally, you want to see this weight code. You want to see this weight code, and you want to see this rebound again pulled. I just don't like the working. I don't like the working, guys. I don't like the working. I'm close. I'd rather just get my 200 and get out, and then move on to the next one. The thing for me, guys, I just feel like time is like it's not against me, but it's just like I feel like I need to be, in my opinion, like I want to start. I want to be thingy. The 1050 macro. You see, look at this rejection. It's not good. I know you guys don't think, oh, he's just getting by the money. It's not that really. It's more like, well, it is that, but not in the sense that you guys think like, oh, like I can't control. Like I can. Like the thing is, once I have the account, I could do this. You know, I don't want to be fucking wasting so much time anymore. Like just because I've been too fearful of my, grades and shit now. So like, you know, I just want. Even if it's like once I get the funded account, like I could go slowly. You know what I mean? Like I could just risk $50. You know, then I would start following my rules. Right now, guys, like I just can't be wasting too much time anymore. You know, just can't be wasting too much time anymore. You know, so I would just take the 200 and make it 51,000. I just need 2 more thousand for my goal to be hit. And another reason, look, I'll show you guys in a few. You know what? I'll do this right now. Look at this. I'll follow like yeah. I understand what's happening. Trust me, it's not like the sense you guys think like, oh, I'm getting like retraced. I'm not. It's not that I'm scared of the retracement. Nah, it's just like there's no point in me like wasting too much time anymore. You know, like I already know what the fuck I'm doing. I know what the fuck I'm looking for. You know, like once I get real money and then I'm playing with the real accounts now, then I can start taking partials and all that. You know, cause then I'm really thinking. But right now I'm just wasting time. Like not wasting time because I know like you guys. I don't waste many guys, but I'm just in a rush now to start getting profitable, funded. I've got my toes wet enough to say the least, you know. You know, like when you're in like a little kid's pool and then you're like, I'm ready for the big pool. Like I've been doing this for 3 years. Like I know I'm ready, you know. And you know, like that gut feeling, like I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. I know I'm ready. But that's basically for me too, guys. Like I know I'm ready for the big boys now. Time to make the big boys league now. Like if I'm forever comfortable, then I really just take this out. You know, just take what I can get right now. Because the market's, if we were going to blast through this, we would have already. Trust me. The market's just playing around games. It's making me think that we're going to retrace lower again. And, I don't have time for that right now. So I really just, get my big money out and get out for now. And then once I get funded, Then I can start taking partials and all that because that was real money, But this is not real money, guys. Like I know it sounds a little thingy, but it's just this is my experience, guys. My personal experience. Again, like I said, I want to see this hold, guys, this week. This looks balanced to me. So that's what my stop loss would have been like here, or like even break even, depending on where it is at. Did anybody take a trade here? And we are seeing above 50% of it. That's good. That's not like with the M5 for confirmation for changing of state of deliveries or for thingy. For like continuations. That's why you gotta look at the M5 for continuation, guys. But for sure, if you guys were selling this trade, your stop loss would have to be here for sure. So let's say you want to take another trade, or I don't know, your stop loss would have to be here. Told you, like it's just intuition now at this point. But for me, now this is looking more bearish. Why? Why? Why does it look bearish? It's taking too long. That's really what it comes down to. It's really just it was retracing to equilibrium. You see, take that 50%. Take that equilibrium. Look at that 62. Look at that nature rejection. Like these are little things that you eventually begin to pick up on as long as you put in the work. And here we also hit 50%. That's why I told you guys, like I don't want to deal with this BS. I'd rather just continue as much as I can. Can we go higher? I mean, yeah, we can, but the reason is we're just going too slow, in my honest opinion. Way too slow. I kept the 200 and now we're up at 51K. Let's go, guys. Like that's really what I'm worrying about right now. I'm worrying about passing the challenges. I'm trying to get funded, guys. I'm trying to get funded. I'm trying to get funded. Time is moving out. We gotta keep moving. We can't stay forever, guys. Because like, what if it was up to me? If it was up to my I don't know if it's securities, but like my fear, I would have been like, yeah, you know what? Like let's just stay here a little longer and practice more. Like let's just get more practice when we join the big boys. Nah, man, it's time to join the big boys. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like that's what I'm saying. I wanted to see this stay up. I want to see this stay for sure. Like your stop loss would be here. Like if I'm still in the trade, my stop loss would be here, guys. Repeat. If I was in the trade and like this would be my stop loss. And I expect this to break higher again, but it's just taking too long, guys. Taking too long. We are entering the 1050 macro, so let's see how that might have just been the retracement. These are things you begin to pick up on, guys. Like I know it's like people say this stuff, and then you're like, yo, bro, when? Give it time. Give it time, guys, because that's really what it just will take, time and experience. The experience will take over your fear, and it will take over your doubts. Cause you're probably like, yo, like, what if I don't make it? What don't make it? Bro, just let the experience take over that. It's really the experience that will define that. Once you have enough experience and you see this shit over and 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 over again, then you're good. You see? This could have just been a 1050 macro, which is making me want to go in again, if I'm being honest, but I'm fine right now. I feel like I'm going in. I want to go in with one contract. Yeah, it's making me want to go in again. But I'm fine, bro. I got my 200. I'm not really trying to. Make you want to go in. Wow. Nice. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Oh shit, that's not good. Okay, I'm thinking. That's too much. Hmm. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I already took my win. There's no need for me to. This is good, guys. This is really good. I just don't like that wicked. That wicked is wicked. This is not a breaker as well. I'm gonna go with 100. It's worth it. I don't like that we're getting SMTs though. Oh no, we haven't gotten SMTs. I'm going in again, guys, with 100. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. You know, I'm good. I made my money for the day. If I wasn't in a trade at night, yeah, I would enter that, but I already took a dub. There's no reason to try to give my money back. The more you're in the market, the more you're likely to go crazy, you know? So I'm fine, I'm fine with what I did today, guys. I really am. Let's just try have this for future trades, you know, journaling. I'm good, guys. I'm good. Good. I'm good, guys. I'm good. This will take maybe like more years to try to get confident, even continue answering after already winning. I'm saying this would just be experience, guys, at this point. You can turn for fear if you want. Equilibrium around the order log. It's whatever you want to take. And then still continue going higher. If you still believe it's gonna go higher, obviously, but just taking way too long. I'm good. Let me look at the 5 though. Look, we trace into this, guys, into this fair value gap. And I told you guys to stop. If you guys were still in this trade, then this would be your stop. Where is it? Sorry, that's not the 5, is it? This, I told you guys, this would be your stop. We have an inverse, which is so stupid, but whatever. If you're taking along, I told you guys, this would be your stop right here. That 5 is so clean. It just takes too long. I just don't like the. Yeah, it is what it is, though. See? Now this would be your stop. If it could close above this one high, this would be your stop. Let's see. Let's see what happens during the macro though. The only thing I just don't like that we're getting SMTs, both ends. Yeah, we're taking too long, bro. Like even again now, we're like too slow. Like we should have ripped by this by now. If that was gonna be the case. We're failing to do that. We're failing to do that, guys. This is making me think we're gonna go lower eventually, fast. The move should be quick, guys. That's what I'm saying. Like that's something that. All right. I mean, I'm glad with myself. Like I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm not. So when I'm looking for it, when I'm not. We hit the profit. We hit 51,000. That's good. We just need 2 more thousand. If news is going good this week, if If news is good this week, then I'm trying to get in with more risk behind it. The only reason why I didn't really risk as much is because of the, I don't know, I guess intuition. That's a word. That's a thing, I guess. I don't know. What the fuck? Where the fuck is this from? This is the M5 version, no? The M5. That's funny. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like the way we're going down. It's too slow. Like this is making me think we are gonna go lower. Yeah, I don't know. If this isn't hold, guys, let's just say this breaks. Let me see something real quick though. Yeah, for sure. On ES, it looks cleaner. Look at ES. Guys, if this doesn't hold, then like this breaks, and I'm definitely looking for shorts. I would be looking for shorts if I was looking for shorts, but I'm not really looking for shorts right now. You know, like I ideally subconsciously I do, but it's just too clean, dude. Too clean draws, so clean, so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. This needs to hold, by the way. So like, I said, let's say if I had to take the trade and then I'm like pretty confident, like price is looking good, this would be my entry right there, right there. And I'll still target that, of course, but like I like the rejection. So far, so good. The rejection look clean. Like the rejection look nice. Yeah, it's nice. We like to see the wicks when it's in our favor, not when it's against us. When it's against with us. You going long in here? I already went long, bro. I've been long. I've been getting out of the trade, my guy. Yo, welcome, sis. Hey, you like sis? My name is I like sis. Change and say delivery. Boom, boom. But yeah, nah, bro. I longed earlier, dude. I'll show you the execution real quick. I'll tell you guys what I got out real quick, but can I show it here? Is it gonna show here? Wait, what? I ain't taking an ES? Wait, what happened to my trading? Wait, what? The fuck? Hold up. Am I in the right contract? hold on. I'm getting brain fart right now. Wait, where did I take the trade at? Yeah, I already took a trade though. I can't find it though. I did take it on EU, no? Yeah, I'm getting a brain fart right now. Oh, it is here. I don't know. Basically, bro, I got in here, dude. To keep it short and simple. I just don't like the way price is moving. That's really why I got out. um, this is my draw. This is my draw. You know, I know nothing I got swept, but Asian lows are still intact and too equal. You know, it wasn't much of a liquidity stream in my opinion. But to play safe, what I did was like I'm just gonna take equilibrium. If this is the leg, I'll show you the 15-minute cleaner. If this is the leg that because the higher time frame, dude, it looks more bearish in my opinion. You know, we inversed it, we working it. So I was like, you know, but the thing is, dude, like the way my logic is programmed now is like we just took out so much sell side, previous day lows, Asian lows. I'm expecting some sort of I'm seeing this as a sweep, you know, and not as a continuation yet. So what I'm doing, I'm just gonna take equilibrium with this leg, and I'm gonna try to go break even at 50% of this retracement. So all I'm waiting for at this time was a 2-minute change in delivery, which was here. We see this, and I just get in here. I literally just I get in this rally gap, right? Sorry, I got in the breaker. I'm lying. Sorry, I got in the breaker. Change to the state of delivery, fair rally gap. So you know, and then I just start literally trading. I move to break even. It's funny because the micro looks a little different. Yeah, it looks a little cleaner. But yeah, I just get off. I got off here, bro, because we already hit. By this time, when we were having this move up, two things had already happened. We had already hit equilibrium for ES. Sorry, OTE. We were already up here, and we NQ we had. You see this right here? So I'm like, you know, I don't really care about it too much. I'm just gonna. I just got out, bro. It was moving too slow, in my opinion, dude. You know. And then we already also hit equilibrium for this level, so I'm like, you know, it's not even worth it, bro. I already made pretty good amount, so it's like I'm just gonna take the thingy and move on. But this would start being my drawing, and you know, during this, During the 1050 macro, I need to write this down, dude. I mean, I already, wait, this one. For the 1050 macro, we did have another displacement. I was seeing that as a retracement, but it's taking too long, dude. It's taking too long, in my opinion. You know, this right here was a retracement, so I'm expecting this leg to hold this leg right here and then to push us higher. But you see how we're just waking it, dude? It's just, I don't like it. It just comes from my personal intuition, like too slow, you know. So if it's moving up slow, guess what? The move down is gonna be quick. But yeah, this would have been the trade if I still felt like, you know, if price was still doing what it was doing, like nicely moving like quick like this, opposed to this, you know, I would have taken it, but I just don't like it. I don't like it, and you know, I already took a trade and I want to. No point of trying to give the money back, you know. Hopefully that makes sense. And we were also hitting a new week opening gap, so I expected like this, you know, some sort of resistance against that move up. It just wasn't worth it in my opinion, but you know, at least we're pretty good with telling like what we expect should happen and what shouldn't, you know. And at the time we already had like this move up, so I expected this. You see this wick right here? I expected it to think because I'm seeing this as balance, you know, up down up. So that's what I'm saying. I really wanted to have my stop loss here, but I was still on the trade. But by then I already exited, so I didn't really care, you know. And I also wanted to say, but I told you guys I wanted to see this for sure stay open. This whole bottom square open, stay open, you know. So price is still doing what you want it to do, but it's Tuesday, bro. It's the first trade of the week, bro. I'm not trying to stress it. You know what I mean? I'm trying to pass these challenges and get the hell out. You know, start making thingy big bucks. You see this? I don't like this. You want to see displacement, disrespect these levels ASAP, like it did here. But we're not doing that. We're not doing that. And we are now also tapping into a 1 hour busy. So it's just become more risky in my opinion. Try to continue shorting long. Oh shit, sorry, Sibi. Did you take a traces? If you don't mind me asking. So yeah, like now it's risky, dude. Like now it's just so much thing against me now. We already hit equilibrium. We're hitting a 1 hour Sibi. We're already hitting a new week opening. Like yeah, this is where you gotta understand like your risk will come in play. Understanding what parts you want to be in. We're also what else? Yeah, I mean we still have 4 hours closed, but like I said, I low-key want it to be a bearish day now, just because I want to see more move now. Like if this is the move, start going down, then that's better for me. You know what I mean? Because now I start looking for shorts for the rest of the week and for the next of the weeks coming up. You know, we start looking for these big juicy boys right here. You see this south side right here, juicy, juicy, juicy. That's a liquidity. Shit. Liquidity. Where is it? With the budget. Why isn't it showing the 4 hour? Ah, wow, that's funny. The one time frame. But yeah, I'll start looking for these juicy sell side liquidity points. But again, I want to start seeing structure now, showing bearishness. You know what I mean? Like that, like that. If we just stay up again, come up here and don't do anything, then I really don't want to. I would just have to intraday scalp and continue going higher. But I prefer to start going lower if I'm being honest, especially with this move now. It inverts the Sibi, so I'm looking for shorts for the short term. I just realized we hit a fair rally gap. That's crazy. I didn't even know that. But hey, that's a good confidence. I didn't even see that. Look at that. We hit a daily fair rally gap. I didn't realize that, but I mean that definitely would have made me even more confident looking for longs. So right now it looks like we might continue going higher. I don't know. It really just depends how we close now. I really just want to start going lower, bro. Like I prefer lower. Can we continue going higher? Yeah. But look at this. Look at this. Right, bro. We should have been gone up by now if it was the reason. We're also creating SMTs now, so that's not good. I'm done for the day, dude. I don't care. Took my trade, got my W, and I'm out. You know, that's really what the market. That's how you're gonna be consistent here. You know, anybody took a trade today, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. By the way, if you guys are new, I would appreciate you guys subscribe. I don't know why it's not showing up, but when you subscribe, your name will pop up on the screen. It's cool. It's pretty cool, you know. You ask me. But yeah, like I said, guys, like I kind of already had an idea we were gonna have resistance around these levels. We already hit equilibrium. This was the easy like trade right here, you know. But now going through here, now we're going to higher time frames. We're going to the 1 hour. We're hitting civvies. Like now, guys, it's risky now. It's really risky. Try to look for short now. Like I guess your play. You see, now we're having a rejection there. Now we could just ping pong. I want to be part of the ping pong. I want to be part of this easy run, you know, which was here. You know, we took out south side. London low, previous day low is nice. I didn't realize this, but we did have a fair value gap on the lower on the daily. But that's a good confidence. I didn't see that. And then I was just waiting for a 2 minute change of delivery. You know, look at this nice rejection of the wick. I was just waiting for change of delivery. We got it here. Boom. I'm like, okay, cool. Time NQ. I think NQ looked a little cleaner from my opinion. And then I just got in from here from the breaker. That's it. I just tried long from here. We could probably still go up here, but I just rather not do that anymore. Time is against me now, you know. It's really against me now. We were already hitting a SIBI. By the time we had informed this, you know, so it was still good to continue looking for this. But now we have a negative up against us, you know. So I rather just wait, really. We already did the easy trading, you know, trade back up to equilibrium, wait to break even, move partial, whatever. Now we just I don't care what happens now. I really don't care. I prefer to have a bearish day. I really prefer to have a bearish day, just so we could have what's it called? Start having displacement, more structure to the downside here, this side, you know. But I don't want. I actually don't want to continue longing. I'm tired of longing, bro. Bro, this morning I was like, bro, what do you call this? Like that's how long I haven't looked for the sell side, guys. I was like, how do you call this? Because this is buy stop, right? Like buy orders, and I was like, what the fuck is this? Oh shit, buy stop. I mean, sorry. I'm like sell side liquidity. I'm like, yo, where's my sell side liquidity? I didn't even know where it was here. And I'm like, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? And I'm like, oh, okay, it's here. That's how long I have to look for like thingy guys for price lower in the high time frame. Again, we respect this business. Like, I just don't want to be inside because we're just gonna have an inside week like this. Gosh, but it's only Monday, right? Monday. Sorry, Tuesday. I don't trade Mondays, guys. I don't trade Mondays. Damn, that's tough. Yeah, I don't trade Mondays. I'm also seeing this as a BPR. Well, it is a BPR in the higher time frame. You go on the 30 minute, probably look cleaner. Yeah, you see? What's the BPR? You see how we going up here? A fair value gap? A bullish fair value gap? Okay, cool. What's this? 30 minute? Yeah, okay. Okay, bullish, right? Cool. It looks, I'm pretty sure it look way better than 1 hour. Just scope a time frame look over here we go. You see? Bullish. And then let's go over here. Bearish. One way up, one way down. This is balanced to me. So if we're bearish, we shouldn't really be coming up here no more, for sure. Can it happen? Yeah, wicks. I would expect wigging, but in closing basis, I don't expect it. Which is why I'm telling you guys, like, I prefer to have bearishness by my side. But my brain is just like wired to take the opposite. You know, like everybody shorted, I want a long. Everybody longs, I want a short. Like I said, if we close below this, guys, I wouldn't really. Yeah, if we close below this in a closing basis, we could wick it and then go high, which would be stupid, but I would look for shorts here if I was looking for shorts for lower price. You see how we're just going up slowly? This is how you don't want price to be. You don't want to be on this side. You know, when it goes down, it's gonna go quickly. You know, that's when you start paying attention to like the way price is moving. Like for example, here, you see how price just dumps? Now we're just having a slowly way move up. To me, this is looking like a bearish scenario, in my opinion. So I would be looking for shorts if I was looking for shorts, but I'm not. I already took long, so I don't really care. But if I was, I'd be looking at it as a breaker. I want to see a fair value. Yep, like that. I want to see a fair value gap somewhere here. Yep. Preferably somewhere here, but you know, you could take the inversion if you want. If you don't want to thingy, and then you know, shorting. I'm telling you, guys, it just makes sense now. And then you can start. You could take your profits at a new week opening gap and eventually lower. But I'm done, bro. I'm done. You know, like I already took my trade. On the one, we probably look nice. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I would have my stop loss here actually. If you guys are looking for short, this is really looking good for short, especially now when we have the now is the high probability trade to look for shorts. If anybody feels ballsy and hasn't taken a trade, I would have taken that trade. We already hit equilibrium, OTE, the leg swing leg. You know, it looks like we're also hitting 30 minutes. Yeah, this looks clean, guys. But the only reason why I'm not looking for short because we already took out so much sell stops. You know, it could be trending at the beginning of a trending. I don't know, but like we already took out so much sell stops in my opinion. Like if it was equal, and then we hadn't taken it out, and then we had that, then I would look for short. But for me, guys, like taking liquidity is like my main objective. You know. But again, guys, if you guys are looking for like if you guys are still somehow feeling that we could go lower, then you know, take it. Take it. Don't let me stop you. My main there we go. There I would be enter there. Yeah, or an inversion. Yeah, the M2 looks clean in my opinion. Our stop loss would be here really. Alright, so I wouldn't have been tagged in there. Let me just say that. Stop loss would be here. Yeah. Now we start targeting new week opening gap. But I already took my trade, guys. I don't care. We do not have a 10 FEG here. I just realized. Well, that's kind of aggressive in my opinion, but hey man. Anybody here took a trade? Oh shit. Oh, I don't like that wick. Guys, anybody here took a trade? No, yes, no, maybe. Maybe, yes, no. I want to see my boy took a trade with me. Oh, that's nice. Oh, my boy did go long. Yeah, I like seeing that guy. Heck. I like reviewing the stream after to see me. Yeah, he took the long too with me. I'm assuming he moved his stop loss just like where I moved it to. He's profitable, by the way. So yeah, I'm glad I'm seeing what they're seeing. I'm assuming he got stopped out during that the SMT type. That's what I was looking at. But ooh, this is looking good for continuation. Let's look at the high time frame, guys. Always just go up the time frame if you're confused. Order block, like I said, we don't want to see this thingy. We didn't close above there, so we could technically come here and sweep this again. So technically, your stop loss should still be here. Because we never close above this, guys. Never. So price could come down, sweep this again, which it just did here, and or come down again, sweep this again, and go higher, and then close above, then move stop loss. But yeah, I'm good, bro. I hate the freaking 5-minute, dude. I mean, I don't hate this. I don't hate it. I just don't like it for trades. I like it for confirmation and for stop losses and stuff, but for trades, I don't like it too much. I would be leaning more bearish right now, if I'm being honest. Step into the order block. Right here, like. I'm assuming it's OTE, you know? From here to here. Yeah, OTE. So I need to see a rejection here. I'm not really interested in longs anymore. For my own personal liking. Just because the higher time frames showed me what I wanted to do. Guess what? Not thinking. I'm just gonna be here just to see what price wants to do, but I'm good. I'm good for the rest of the day. Try to short? Nice. Wait, you said try to short loss? Wait, where did you short from though? You gotta give me like, bro. If you talking here, my guy, we gotta talk trader talk, right? Where did you long? Are you talking? You just shorted from where? From the fair value? Wait, I don't even know what type of trade you are, but price range. What time did you trade? What time did you look at the trade? You know, you gotta be specific, my guy. I'm just playing, dude. But yeah, I would be looking for shorts here. If I was looking for shorts, if we had equal lows, if we hadn't taken out previous day low, previous day high, like previous London low, you know, then like for example, let's just say this was open, right? And then this was here. The price was like here at the time. Then I would look for short here. But we already took out this, we already took out this, we already took out this, we're rejecting this. Like I'm not looking for short anymore. I would look for shorts if maybe tomorrow if the price allows me to, but I would be looking for short here. So my entry would be somewhere here. I would enter like all that said, like I said, like that. And I see this displacement. My entry would be I would keep a book. I'll keep it here. Stop loss would be really there, but and then start looking for equal lows. That would be my trade. But knowing me, bro, I'll probably just be a little scared. So I'll just leave it there. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong 100%. You know, I'm not trying to be like here. I get wicked out and then goes on like, yo, bro, really? But I'd rather just be safe in here and you know, put it here. We are getting SMTs, I think. Short around 10:30. Why did you short this? Why did you short this, by the way? Wait, first of all, my bad. Are you an ICT trader? Or are you like, what's your style of trading? My bad. I think I should have addressed that first. What kind of trader are you? Like support and resistance? What are you? Trend line? ICT? MWAP? Is that MWAP? I don't think it's I don't know. Whatever that's called. VWAP. Sorry, VWAP. VWAP. Why would you short this? I'm just confused. I'm just trying to see your ideas. Yes? Yes, which one? I need like 3,000 things. Which one is it? Help me out. Yeah, I would look for shorts here. So, I want to see this get disrespected ASAP. I don't like that getting respected. It's making me think that I might want to go higher or create one more swing high and then go lower. Fractal model, ICT? Okay. But what was making you look for shorts here though? This was 10:30. Right? Hold on, my bad. Maybe you took another 1 minute. What time frame did you take the trade on, by the way? That's my next question for you. The thing that really helped me out a lot, my guy, go up a time frame. You know, go up a time frame. The higher time frame will dictate everything. Everything. You know, you could scalp it, I guess, on the 1 minute, but you just like for me to have the best type of scalping would have to be the higher time frame. I like the release. Yeah, look how prices. Look at this, bro. You cannot say this is not manipulated, dude. It's not controlled. Look at this. Look at that beautiful closure of the new. Look at that opening of the new opening gap below it. Bro, this is so bro. Price is just. I don't know if I sound like a nerd now, but price just becomes so nice once you know what you're looking for, and like you begin taking it for what it is rather than like for trying to be profitable. So I need to see rejection now, dude. Again, I don't know what I'm not looking for shorts, but in an ideal world, like if I was looking for short, that leg would be meaningful to me. Just like create this displacement, market structure shift, 2022 model, take buy stops, sell stops, went into a higher time frame, OTE level. Now it's rejecting a 1 hour CB. So yeah, I would be looking for shorts. That would be a nice short for me. But like I mentioned earlier, we took out so much sell side. You know, it just doesn't make sense for me. For the 1 minute, I saw the 1 minute. Around 10:30. Wait, you saw this as your buy stops? I'm assuming, and then you try to look for shorts. Is that what I'm getting at? Yeah, I'm assuming you saw this as your equal highs, and then you're looking for shorts. But ICT says to look for a 2022 a market structure shift. Where did you see the market structure shift on this leg that made you want to look for shorts at the time? You know what I mean? Like. Where did you see the market structure shift? Like, oh man, it's tiny. I'd rather just explain it. Right? You said the time this was a thingy, right? Right? You said you were looking for short tier, right? Around 10:30. But what I'm wondering though is where did you see the market structure shift? The market would have to like in order for you like let's just say that was the reasoning, and then you would need to see at least like closure below these lows as a market structure shift. and then enter the fair value gap. What did you see here that made you think like, oh, we're ready to reject from here? You know, not even inversions were happening here. I'm a little confused with that. Check the link I sent in my chart image. Where do you have it? It's a Weezer. Check the link I sent my chart image. Wait, where? Can you put the link here now? Yeah, no, but even then, bro, that's what I'm saying. Like, did you look at the 50-minute and expect maybe like it's trying to retrace back to equilibrium first? Remember, bro, price is not just gonna dump right away. Like most of the time, it's gonna retrace back up to equilibrium and then go lower. You know, unless you have like a break or like something else, you know. But then that would mean a whole nother conversation. But here, bro, there's not really anything like, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know why. I don't see the 20 like the 22 model. Like that, I don't know if that's a trend, but where did you send the chart, my guy? Sorry, the link. I would expect. That's what I said. I took the long only because we took out south side and then we want to trade back into equilibrium. You know, and if we really ran through these levels right here, like you see how we're just waking it, like we just started disrespecting, and this was my real jaw, right there. This was my spy stop. By time too, you gotta take time into consideration. Now we were going into the London close, so yeah, I guess we did a good move, guys. This is look like it could still go higher though. This is looking like accumulation for me, but nah, bro, just nah. Like it's weird. Like as you get better, you begin to choose your sweet spots. You know, I just sent to where? Where did you send it? Wait, did you send it on Instagram or something? Wait, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where did you send it at? I just sent from where? Where? Discord? Where? Where? Again, this is still respecting 5 minutes, you know, but I'm just not willing to be part of that. Unless you're a swing trader and you freaking your whole life you practice your. What did you send it? In the chat? I don't see anything. I don't see anything, my guy. I think maybe Thingy removes it. Send the Discord link. Sure. I don't really be on Discord anymore. I used to be, you know, because you want to compare yourself to traders and all that. Like you just want to like. How do I send the link? How do I send the link, my guy? Please tell me. Send the link. I don't know. I'll just give you my thingy, guys, my boy. Add a username. It might be getting auto deleted. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Oh, let me see if I could thingy. Hold the reactions, pop out chat. Hold on. I'm looking right now. Yeah, it might get deleted, my guy. Add me on Discord. I don't really be on it like that, but like, you know, if you need some helpers, like I don't know, I'll give you my Discord. I don't really be on it like that though. I used to, you know, in the beginning, especially. I feel like everybody did. Like 74447 448. I think that's my Discord. Hold up. Yeah, that's my Discord. If you want to add me. Yeah, I think it might get out of the lead because. But even then, even if it was, I would have seen like the message saying, "Oh, thingy deleted because of the auto link thing." I'm not even seeing that. Just have it in the Discord if you want. I'll put it up real quick. Yeah, you see, bro, like he just began to like, ugh, brother, ugh. I'm good, dude. We could still go higher, like I said, like probably we could still like they're lower now, but we could still go higher, guys. I'm just looking at this as accumulation before going having another expansion. Like, brother, ugh, brother, ugh.
By the way, can you tell me your? Oh, found you, sis. Okay, send me the link, sis. Damn, mad people. I like the BB stock. That's funny. All right. There. Send me the thingy, my guy. I found you. Wave to sis. Got you. I'll put it up real quick. Hold up. What the heck? Hold up. Can I increase this?
You took standard deviations. From where? Okay, 1030 is here. Yeah, but where did you get the... You say it's short at 1030 though. This is a fair value gap.
All right, sis. Can you explain to me why did you show from here though, from 1030? And you were trading the E mini. Yeah, you were trading the mini. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, but I'm so confused though. Even then, what made you look for this? You didn't look at the 15 minute for like the rebalance of this leg? Yeah, I'm just so confused. I'm just so confused with the like the reasoning, from my perspective.
Maybe it makes sense to you, dude. But I'm just confused, my guy. Hold up. Nah, bro, you better make me have a whole brain for right now, my guy. Hold up. Okay. What did you see? Let me go back to Discord. Why didn't you show this? I'm confused, bro. You thought it was buy side, right? I'm assuming this is what you saw, right? This. You see this little tiny fair value gap? Is that what you're seeing? This tiny fair value gap right here? Can I zoom in? Right here? Is this what you see? A little fair value gap and then you short here? Am I right, sis? Bro, I'm having a whole brain fog, my guy. I got in before he created the FEG? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you got in here though. But yeah, that's what I'm saying though. But you saw this as a market structure shift. I'm assuming this though. Right here? Because it took out buy stop. This is what you're marking out, buy side. Right? And then you see this fair value gap. Right? Am I right? Am I right? You got it from this fair value gap. And then this stopped you up. Right? But even if you saw this, bro, where was the market structure was here. From my own personal thingy. Here, this one low. It did it? I see this as a market structure right here. And then if it would have broken through here with a closure, then I would have gone in. I wouldn't have gone in anything below that before. And even then, I was still looking for the equilibrium, like I mentioned earlier. I was actually in the longs. Oh shit! Hold on. See the market structure? I don't. That's the thing, my guy. I don't see it. I don't. This would be the market structure shift. Right there. Right? And then I'm assuming this. That's the thing. I wouldn't trust this though, bro. I wouldn't. I would need a closure. Need closures. But that's why I got into changes in deliveries. That's why I got in here. Oh, here. Here, because it closed already, both the swing high. Even if it was like this, like you say, I need closures. It's okay, my guy. Don't worry. It just takes time, bro. It's gonna take time. Again, like, yeah, brother. We don't want to be in this, guys. We don't. We don't want to be in none of this bullcrap. BS, garbage price. We want to be nice in these, not these. This is trash. Yeah, I mean, that's it. I don't see the market structure. It's funny. This might be then we're gonna go lower, but Are we gonna take time with the angle lower, or are we just gonna drop from here? I don't know. Do I have to know? Not really. I played it safe. I played my entry here in this part of the leg. Whatever happens here now, I already took my partials. I got in and got out, and I did what I had to do, you know. And we just need 2,000 to hit to hit pass the challenge, guys. I'm increasing my risk now. That's what I am working on. You know, I feel like I'm at a point in my life, point in my journey where I know what to look for and when to look for it. AKA tomorrow there's news, so I'm looking for a trade tomorrow. And by the way, take notes, guys. Take notes. Take notes. You know, this is what's gonna help you out. This is what's really gonna break your threshold of break even or losing. See? And then it's, I mean, this maybe not right away, but you know, while it's happening, I'm writing down what's happening in my head. So it's just an extra level of processing information. You know, so I was writing down like the time 10:20, 10:23. I write down nice M5 rejection. I want to see this remain open and go higher. You see, this is the M5. No, this is the M2. Sorry, this. I want to see this open, and guess what, guys? It happened. It happened. See? That's again cute. Look, see this, guys? Look at that. Did it ever come into here? Nope. Stayed open. It could have wicked it. Yeah, sure, it could have wicked it. But I prefer to leave it open. And we also had this wick because I was seeing it as a BPR. We also thingy now. We're respecting this inversion. I still want. Why you have a monkey? But yeah, I still want to see price higher. But on the long term run, I'd rather not. Really, I just rather. I actually now that I'm out of the trade, bro. Forget that. I want to see it drop, dude. Look at the higher time frames. Look at the higher time frame, guys. Tapping into 7 now. Wait, what is this, guys? What is this? What is this? Changes in delivery. You know, up. Boom. This is the closure of the opening of that thingy. Close below it. I want to see closure now. I want to see bounce. Go to the 4 hour, bro. Go to the 4 hour. Go to the guys. If you ever just confused, go to the higher time frames. Gonna 90% of it's gonna get thingy. When I was here, guys, in the morning, that's why I was a little hesitant when looking for longs. Rejection of inversion. This is inversion. Busy now Sibi. This is balance to me. So now what happens? We close in 2 hours and we leave a fair value gap. Guess what, guys? I'm no longer looking for longs anymore. I buy that switch now, guys. I'm looking for shorts all the way. You know, let's say leaves open. Let's just say close like that, right? Going into tomorrow, guess what, my guy? I'm looking for this. For this now. I'm no longer interested in long anymore. We also now have a change to delivery. Look at that. Boom. Up. Boom. This is the order block. Now, what happens tomorrow? We do have this, right? We begin to show bullish imbalances. I want to see us tap into this and then drop. Continue going lower for the week. Look at the weekly right now. That's nasty. That is really bad. But yeah, guys, I'm probably in the stream here, guys. We did take a trade. It was cool. No, it was dope. It was dope that we're having more people in here now. I will be streaming tomorrow, guys. I appreciate anybody who did subscribe. It really means a lot to me. It really does. Says welcome to the channel, my guy. I don't know if you're a beginner or not. And even if you aren't, I feel like we can learn stuff from everybody. You know, like the 2-minute changes delivered for me, I learned it from Lumi. From Lumi traders, you know. But obviously you can just apply the breaker if you're not trying to do it. If you just want to be a safe way or a market structure shift like you would call it, I would still, like I said, I would still need a closure though. That also defines a breaker. You know, that's what I'm saying. Breakers is just basically closures. Like we take sell stop, and then for me to look for shorts, or other way around. Like in your case, my guy, we take out buy stop. I would need closures. Closures below this, like right here. And then we look for a fair value gap. And then we have a breaker. And we have a fair value gap. And just even better, we have a BPR. Boom. Now, bro, price. There's a really high chance prices will start dropping from here. You don't even have to put it. This will take time, but I just play safe. I put my stop loss here, but you put it above the breaker, above the fair value gap, above the BPR, whatever the reasoning is, my guy. This will take time. You don't have to be perfect in the beginning. You begin to eventually change that as you get better and better with as time progresses. And guess what, my guy? You don't want to see price stay around here too much. You want to see selling rejection, boom, off to the races we go. Start moving your stop loss, move to break even. Then that's where that takes time to understand or to see your strategy and stuff. But I just didn't see that. That's something I didn't see what you were telling me earlier about the market structure shift around here. Nothing here is telling me the thing, especially the higher time frame. Go up a time frame, bro. I'm looking for a rebalance of this equilibrium. Like, that's why we're having so much resistance, my guy. I don't know if you've seen ICT, but he tells you like equilibrium of the swing point of the swing leg. That's where we're gonna have a lot of equilibrium, back and forth. But yeah, go up a time frame. You know, like nothing was like here. Look at that 1 hour. What is this? An inversion. Boom. We tapped into it. We're refusing to think. That's something like my positioning, all my risk was off at logical points where it shouldn't really be doing this anymore. That's why I'm leaning more thingy now, if I'm being honest. I'm leaning bearish. You know, I don't really expect it as much anymore for the price to come up here. These little legs right here. Alright, yo sis, anybody who's here, welcome to the channel, guys. Yeah, welcome. Saludos. Well, greetings. Let's go. Alright guys, I'll probably end the stream here. It was alright. It wasn't a bad trade. I'm kind of more glad of my risk, how I handled the risk behind it. You know, price was looking nice. It was looking nice. Not gonna lie, it was looking nice here. It was looking nice here. I saw this film like nice. We're still holding it, and I see this. Yeah, I'm good. I'm out. We already hit equilibrium. I'm good, dude. I'm good. Once I see this, bro, you could have it, dude. Look what we haven't been doing for the past what? I got out here, right? Literally here, 10:50, around the beginning of the macro. For an hour, we're just consolidating, dude. Take care, my guy. Sis, thank you so much for my boy. Welcome to the channel, my boy. If you haven't subscribed, man, it would mean dope to have you guys back. You know, I feel like we begin to learn more when you begin to get more involved with people. Did we grow? Did we go? Actually, nah, never mind. I'll see that later. I don't want you guys seeing my hentai or something. I'm just playing. It just, yeah. I really just. It's not anything bad than just. Cause I use a thing account, an alternate account for like to make sure the stream is good and all that. So I don't really want to like show that. You know, that's my not private, but like that's where I'm chilling. You know. All right, so we did go up subscriber, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, you see, nah, I'm good, brother. You can have it. Nah. You're good, bro. This is really look guys. Look at this too. What's this? New week opening gap, my guy. New week opening gap. That's why I also took a pressure here. I don't know if you guys. I told you guys this. Right here, this level. Oh, let me take this off. It's too distracting. Shit, sorry. What's this? I took a pressure here. Took a pressure here, guys. New week opening gap, equilibrium. Nah, bro. I'm good. Like I said, we can still go higher. I really don't want it to go any more higher. Ironically, I want to go lower, but I'll see tomorrow what the market does in the evening. All right, guys. Peace out so much. Thanks so much for being here, boys. I appreciate it. Saludos. Take care, my guys. Stay safe. Don't gamble. Don't go back in the market at evening and start looking for trades. You know, something that really changed for me was the 10 to 11, 10 to 11, 10 to 11:30ish. That time zone, that's where the high. For me, that helps a lot because this, I see this as a Judas swing. The opening, I see that as manipulation, so I want to go opposite. You know, but yeah, peace out, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. Hopefully I can wake up tomorrow, bro. I could have had not waking up this morning, dude. The thing is, I'm in Mexico, so I'm 2 hours ahead behind. You know, so the market opens up at 9:30, right? I gotta wake up at basically at 6:30 because I gotta walk my dogs and I gotta be at the computer by 7:30. You know, by the time I get home, it's like 7:10. I gotta start doing my analysis, get ready, everything. You know, it's just so that's the only thing that's tough for me right now. Like the time difference. It's 9 for me. Well, about to be 10, but by the time I get up, I have to be up by 7:30 in the computer. You know, and I gotta wake up earlier. It is what it is, though. You know, we traders, we adapt. We know sussies. Oh, shit. All right, guys. Peace out. See you.